I've already unboxed these big bad boys on my YouTube channel, but I want to talk about this model specifically for one reason. I'm in touch with the supplier for this very model of Zomei tripod stand, and for every piece that we are going to be buying, we shall be able to get a massive discount of this tripod stand. Now, I want to share five specifications of this tripod stand that I think you will love, okay? I've used this for the last 1 week. It's the brother I'm using right now in front of me, holding my camera. But trust me, I have loved this product. So I want to talk about, number one, when it comes to durability of a tripod stand, you need Zomei Q310. This is aluminum alloy at affordable price. You're going to get a tripod stand that will take you generation. It's very strong, durable, and can literally handle every kind of environment. It's very stable when you put it on the ground because of its fit, as you can see. Flexible in every kind of aspect. So durability, it's unmatched. Secondly, when you look at its length, short as it is, okay, it can literally extend to a height that you cannot imagine. So with me, I have 3 extensions, okay, sections of extension. Number one is this. You can literally push this, then you close, okay. Then you can push this if you need more height. You can also close that up, and you can also open up this. You can also close that, okay. Now, as you can see, this is the standard weight. But if you want extra height, we can come and jab this middle part here. So this middle part, you can always jab here, and you have this plate that is extending. You understand? So you literally have all this height. And I think it's an overkill for most of our kind of content projects. But in terms of height, you're fully covered. You don't need an extra, let me put it on the table. This can get you covered. Now, that is for the length. I will close that up and then show you something extra. The other thing that is so amazing about this tripod stand at its price is the fact that it's very flexible. And you know how flexibility is important. It's a key area when it comes to photography and videography. You need to be able to switch immediately, handle, capture this angle, capture the other. Zomei gives you that flexibility that you need. Why? Because you can literally throw away this thing and remain with this. You literally have a full tripod stand in another. So we call this a monopod, okay? And with this monopod, you have a full tripod stand. It is long enough to act as a tripod stand by itself. So if I want extra weight, I can always increase down there, okay? As you can see, it's just long enough to get you covered. So when I make it stand, it can go that long. And literally, this is a standard weight for most of the tripod stands. Put your phone, you put your camera, you put your video lights, you put your microphone here, and you're able to go. So flexible as it is, you don't need to carry the other big boy all the time. You can literally have this with you, and you're good to go. Now, some of us always want this smooth movement with that comes with the gimbal. If you have this in your hands, you don't need to pay extra for the gimbal. Why? Because if you have this, as you can see, I can literally use this as a gimbal. Put my camera here, put my phone here, and I can get that smooth, transition between my video clips and photography. You can turn it around. You can, it's a full gimbal in a tripod stand. So that's how flexible it is. And then the other thing, when we put it together, there's something I want to show you here. So when you put it together, there is this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, this one here on the plate, on the holding plate, and then also this green thing down here. These two help you notice if your tripod stand is either balancing on the ground, is flat, or it is bending and kind of bent. So you can literally tell. So there is fluid inside that green bar. That fluid has a bubble in it. So the bubble always tells you if you're flat on the surface, the bubble is in the middle. So if you can move it and it's bent, it can literally go up or down to show you that it's out of range in terms of flatness. So this tripod stand, when we talk about durability, 100% okay. When you talk about the height, it's 100% there. When you talk about flexibility, 100% there. Okay, so in every aspect, you have it. Those who are into photography, professional videography, studio, outdoor, even the upcoming content creators, you can literally get these big equipments in your arsenal and at an affordable price. You make one-time investment and you start your content creation journey without worry. If you need tripod stands, this very supplier has microphones. She has lights, video lights, photography lights. She has microphones. She has these microphone stands, phone holders. Literally everything is there. And the good thing is we have got a deal with her. For products we buy, you shall be able to get a discount. So let me know in the comment section if you think we can make a bulk order and be able to receive these products in the next 2 weeks. Okay. Those asking about the price, I bought these 2 pieces of this tripod stand. Literally, the amount for the 2 pieces, the amount for buying from the supplier, shipping, and then the taxes, the total amount spent on these two cannot buy you one piece here in Uganda. You can check up on Jumia and let me know the price you're going to find. But through the mini importation, as I've always told you, I save a lot and I get good quality equipment for my projects and then for my clients. So there we are. Make sure you check out on the YouTube channel for more specs on the brother tripod stand that I'm using currently in front of me, because I did a full video on my YouTube channel. And make sure that if you're not well versed with the importation, watch the videos on the YouTube channel, because we literally cover everything that you need to know before you get into the mini importation business. So with that said, peace. Let me sign out.